WonderChef Kitchen Ultra Guide. Press the right button to start. How to bind account refresh. Find your home's Wi-Fi name. Enter the password to connect to the network. Use the WonderChef app to scan the popped-up QR code and create a room for your device. Click Save to successfully bind and start your WonderChef cooking journey. How to operate intelligent cooking. Place the microwavable container into WonderChef. No need to cover the container. Wonder Kitchen auto detects ingredients. Choose to cook chicken gizzards with green peppers, chayote with meat, or sausage with chili. Click to start cooking mode. Be patient as it cooks. Voice commands are also available. Xiao Wan is here. Start cooking. Start cooking. Please be patient. Click the bottom left corner to pause cooking. Cooking has been paused. Click the bottom right corner to stop cooking. Once cooking is done, open Wonder Kitchen to take out. It also smartly recognizes Yangxiang food. To follow the recommended plan, just tell me to start cooking. Multi-category cooking recognizes breakfast milk. Xiao Wan found toast with milk. Do you want to help start cooking? For intelligent reheating, click it and use plus to adjust the temperature. You can also hold the dial to adjust. Press start to cook. Please wait patiently. For self-cooking, click the option and set the cooking time based on ingredients. Click Start Cooking to begin cooking. Please be patient. How to operate defrosting. Click Defrost. It will automatically enter the preset cooking time. Please be patient. How to adjust screen brightness and sound volume. Click the upper left corner to enter the settings page. Hold the right volume bar and slide up or down to adjust the volume. How to change the cooking assistant. Click Cooking Assistant. There are 3 virtual assistants available for replacement. Click Use to change assistants. Hello, how can I help you? Hello, how can I help you? Hello, how can I help you? To view WonderChef info, click Device Info to see system version. Use Auto Upgrade for preferred mode. Check model and storage details. To set door detection for auto ingredient recognition, if off, place items in WonderChef and close the door, then manually select Smart Cooking to recognize. Do you want to cook zucchini cucumber pork or duck blood loofah soup? With door detection on, just place ingredients in WonderChef, close the door, and it auto-detects. Do you prefer chayote stir-fried with lamb and green onions, or hot pepper sausage stir-fry? To change the homepage theme, click to enter the theme page, pick your favorite, and use it to see the effect on the big screen. To view after-sales info, click Support for contact details. Or open the WonderChef app, tap My at bottom right, then Customer Help to reach online or phone support. Start cooking with WonderChef now.